Hello guys, welcome back to yet another episode on Autos Learn. In the last video, we had looked into vehicle-centric functional domain. In this video, we will talk about the passenger-centric functional domain. As we have seen earlier, passenger-centric functional domain shall comprise of body domain, HMI domain, and telematic domain. Let's look into body domain for now. Body domain contains functions that are not related to control of car dynamics. Some of the features that the body domain is comprising of includes wipers, lights, doors, windows, seats, mirror, and so on. The features in this domain are not time critical or safety critical as compared to powertrain or chassis domain. But end-to-end response time between the stimuli and the response must be evaluated, taking into account the performance of the hardware platform, the scheduling policy of each microcontroller, and the network protocol. For instance, consider the lock unlock of doors. You would never want your cars to unlock after 30 minutes of pressing the unlock button, right? Features in the body domain usually have complex architecture as they have quite some number of ECUs to communicate. We would see subsystem and subcluster in this domain to connect the low-cost sensor actuator level networks. For example, consider door unlock feature through wireless control, window, mirror, seat position control feature based on the driver or passenger request. One possible architecture would be to have a main ECU which accepts the request from different sources like wireless and triggers other controller which operates the motor. So in this case, main ECU and other motor controllers shall be connected through LIN in a subnetwork. Now that we have 4 doors in car, each door would contain one main ECU, so all the 4 ECUs are then connected through CAN. Now you would surely want to see the status of these features on dashboard, right? So then, to display the information to driver, main ECUs are then connected to dashboard ECU through CAN again. So as you can see, with just 4 features and few controllers, the architecture has become quite dense. So you can imagine how complex the architecture would get if we consider all the features supported in the current cars. Coming back to body domain, there's one more subdomain that's really important in this domain. That's central body electronics, which takes care of inter-domain message transmission. This subdomain must make sure that the message transmitted between the domains are reliable and fault tolerant. In addition, this subdomain requires high computational power to handle large chunks of messages transmitted in the network. Enough of body domain for now. Let's look into HMI and telematic domain in upcoming episode. Thank you so much for your time and support to the channel. Please provide your feedback on what you would like to see next in my channel. Until next time, Namaste.